Welcome back. In this video, we are going to download and install the Kindle Create software. Now, for purposes of this video, we are using a Windows 10 computer, and we're going to install the Windows software for the first time to that PC. So we're going to start the process by clicking Download Now, and we're going to save the installer to our hard drive. Once we've downloaded the software, we're then going to click the executable file, and then we're going to agree to the license. We're then going to install it into the drive. And once it completes, we'll then click Finish, and then we'll click Run Kindle Create. Now, as of the recording of this video, there are some beta features that you can ask for. We are going to enable these beta features. And once we do that, our Kindle Create software will then be installed, and we are then ready to begin working with our new project. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.